clash. Say, oh, I'm over a camera daddy. But Abronye mra na only na kwana. Number daddy musing. Number why day. Not the same. So that was what I was saying.
I don't know why to me a friend or fasten.
I tried him twice. That's what putting the phone off.
Oh, and so let us a wound minute in Kasai.
David, maintain it. I said no back. Say, my friend twice.
But even though the facts are limited to you, no, not yet share pending 4 p.m. The action the police will take, you are a lawyer. Yeah, why a Jumana Chania day and political game is what Bobiache. So if this is anything to go by, how serious? And I hear this comment.
No. See, the police have the right to invite you. The ambit of operation, and law on the ambit of operation, reasonable suspicion, and with the ambit of operation, especially with the police. So when I'm crying out with Safwa, now Safwa, you bear me and son, and I appreciate meeting because we are inviting you because reason is. But one more, everyone, Musa. Ona no otwitwa wani ti say obi akọ area bi ani panyi okese no akọbọ kro no no ọkọ no president no so otwitwa wani so ọkware ọma yi no so ana ya bi a president for no emfa anya ya uya hwana president sha wo tim bi sha o wide manu ya wide fa o kresto bi o kan to we na mu mi se mi na mu a president for Jinamia, imagine bureaucrat. The crowd TV now be Sammy, as some maybe I'm cast and sounds. Oh, lawyer, sorry. Now, no. Oh, yeah, what you man. I mean, yeah. No, that is the police. Oh, yeah, Juma. He has every right. In 2020, Congress Electoral Commission, the voter ID. I said, look at your say to be over his head body. Na Baswa, and you'll be 12 Ghana. Now, me FM the friend Kasu. I didn't JSC in the Supreme Court of Testament. I'll get you the name versus the Electoral Commission. That was 1997 Supreme Court of Ghana Law Report. I didn't the value of the voter ID card. If you don't have a voter ID card, you cannot be appointed as a minister, deputy minister, high commissioner, DCE, MCE, ambassador. So I quoted from that judgment said, only voter ID card are serious. It is to be compared to voter ID card here for sunlight. Now, we're going to remind this for the cassette. What best ever bow? Remember that Rampene. Now, all corners of the work of sunlight now. Baba sunlight now, the card because we want for some of the bow. As soon as another document reported me to the police. Only before they invited me, it was just on the party office. I'm sending them by WhatsApp. On Sunday, WhatsApp. That's the case of them. I go to Kufudia. From Kufudia, straight to the police secretary. I was 20 years old, deputy general secretary. They took statement from me. I'm not a self-recognizance deal. I'm not being a bailey. I know I'm not bailing and come down my dear. But because the police were doing their work. Which, of course, they could have, even with my pedigree, they could have said self-recognizance deal. But my mom is self-recognizance deal. There might have been a Simon. One TDD. That invitation about the man, that be my Benamonoko. NDC MPC Dinachi, Bernard, Yaminipa, Emma, Accra still sold that day. Maybe I'm a comedian and a Loki. Police force now to be a report once. You could report to be commercial, report to be Shim, report to be Tamale. But Tamale, they say, for a case you are pick up. From the airport straight to the police headquarters, then to my hotel. 2020, none other year. Men can't say we are some query. Men can't say we are deputy general secretary, your loyalty, approaching for buying your denya. Men can't say. Me cancer. I've never said that. Me no did so. They see us. Auntie, I put the first of answer for a while. I don't think there's anything. Just go at whatever information investigation they are conducting. You support, you assist them.
Well, Nana, yeah, Shania, and ran it Weber, but Abronye, Voma, wo so a coup d'etat, or no so I can, ya charging for treason felony. And also, no, if Abronye Diano is an exhibition of youthful exuberance, yen to me, and Kasa, or also Diano, similar.
The cinema full facts in America, youthful exuberance. Let me know full facts.
Now, where do you need your full facts? No?
Okay, I read it. The matter was referred to court.
I see.
So I have the full facts.
So, therefore,
no, it is the police who are doing the prosecution. And after long for so many years, I don't think that they say, the case of police for the court, no, I can't have a coconut in Tikumako. A coconut in Tokoni, Tokani, and Jan Copper, the share. Then Tikuman himself a bit Macron Tokani. No Conco could be actually. Tikuma, Nipanakam on Tikuma the boss. Kokujina, Tikuma, once the matter has been referred to the court, and once the plea has been taken, it's dangerous for us to run any commentary on it. We need to tread cautiously. Maybe a decade counts, but no man called a substantive matter. You want someone at the argument.
So what's to say a year Nana do lawyer Akutwampa na echu charges Abronye no.
Oh well, Mate. Well, Nana can say well. No further comment.
No further comments.
Yeah.
Why are you reserving your comments?
Yeah, so lawyer Juma Obia na Juma oye anamebo. It is a professional work.
So,
I have no further comment. Please, I don't have no further comment.
You have no comments on this?
And why do you want me to comment on it for?
Oh, Sanya, I mean, people are of the opinion, how come the lawyer of the president, Abronye say, or Nipa Abronye say, or better poll, no, or no mom lawyer, and there's a coach charge. Abronye no sabe asem we to asum.
Well, that is I shouldn't be in a position to answer before me.
Ayo, Mate.
No be some.
But final one on a year Xavier Sosu and the Ghana Bar Association. You are a member of the bar. Or say when even the need arose for the bar to defend lawyers, to defend the judicial system, any adeno, you were mute. But political judges being in an no, they have to be dealt with politically.
It's an interesting comment. How do you say that? It's a very serious, dangerous comment too, you know?
Hey,
it's a dangerous comment, you know?
Because the Ghana Bar Association, number, a dangerous comment.
No, the Ghana Bar Association,
yeah, sure.
Sana
Sosukano, let her know her. Minimum from Kakra.
No, but it is not fair for Sosu to describe the Ghana Bar Association in those terms. It is not fair. You are a member of the Ghana Bar Association. I didn't comment now here and then. It is not fair. If you disagree, but if you want to run down the Ghana Bar Association, it is not fair. I'm saying that, hey, so you're very careful because politics don't query you. Politics don't query you. There is a professional you belong to. So in the Ghana Bar Association, I can also listen. You won't be a member. Fine. Me MPP term, me were Ghana Bar Association. NDC term, more Ghana Bar Association. PNDC term, more Ghana Bar Association. Irrespective of Abronye in power, So if Sosu will run down the Ghana Bar Association, I will say, hey, it's dangerous. Don't do that, my younger brother. Don't do that. You can't be maybe comment now here, you know. As for that comment, I think I will draw attention. No, because I'm sorry. Then you move ahead, no. But if you run down the Ghana Bar Association,